Why hello, and welcome back to the channel. The ZV-1 will be hopefully the main vlogging camera of this Paris trip, but I also found this. The JJC TP-S2 shooting grip. This costs about $50. You could find it for less, I think, but compared to the official grip, that's about $200. So I thought, what the hey? I'm drowning in these pouches. Cool. First impression, well, it feels very plasticky. Now these legs are supposed to function as a tripod, and that's fair enough. Is that supposed to be that way? I don't know. It's very light, so this does not feel like quality. Honestly, already I am disappointed. So here you have the cable. So you attach it to the side, attach camera, you adjust, attach the USB into the multi, and there we go. This should work. Okay, so when the camera's on, it lights up. That's good news. So try turning it on and off. Well, okay. Zoom works. And the record button also works, but I don't have a card in the camera. So if I press the record button, it says there's no card in the camera. So how does this work as a tripod? Yeah, I guess it could work. So if you press this button on the side, you can regulate the head. That's kind of nifty. Okay, this rubber here feels insanely cheap and it's horrendous. But this is a grip that works. Wait, let's just turn it off. The logic behind my reasoning is that I could have this in my jacket pocket and then just sort of pull it up, zoom. And it would be quicker than walking around with the camera in my hand, but I'm not actually so sure. I am not certain. You will be able to hold it up, you know, better. It's a bit more ergonomic, I guess. This is really annoying. This here, this is not a good fit. Why hello, how is everything? But then again, it is kind of handy to have the zoom at your thumb and the record button at your thumb and the photo at your thumb. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna try it out. Why not? Okay, so that was a short little first impressions video on the JJC TP-S2 grip. It'll run you less than 50 bucks. Is it worth it? I don't know. Does it feel cheap? Yes. Does it have horrible rubber? Yes. Does it work? Yes. But I'll see you in the next one.